Moses, swear. Admit it. Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
What is going on YouTube? A1 Suspect 317 here with a brand new video today. We're going to be reacting to my boy HBK GoatBoy's new unreleased song from his new tape coming out next week. He said hopefully. It's called Kill Switch, and we have it right here. So like you already know what's going on now. We have to get into this right now. So yeah, it's called Problem Child 2, and yeah, let's get into it.
Tell me why these niggas hate so motherfucking bad. So Problem Child 2.
And his stuff will be down below too, by the way, guys.
But I ain't gonna say too much. Disrespect your own. She want me to love her, she want me to touch. I say I'm a chick, but she know I would never. These niggas that true to this, so many niggas be acting strange. Ain't clever. I went in here, bought me a black jacket and a black pair, but this jacket ain't leather. I put the pistol, these niggas ain't clever. You know what they say, yeah, the thicker the better. I went in here, buried my heart in the back of the back. My diamond big, that's when I walk in the room, and you know that they shining in the dark. I'm gon' pop me too, I ain't talking about pop. My gun on my dog, he gon' make sure he bark. I hop in that vroom vroom, this a robbery, you know that. But it's that.
I fucks with the beat, dude. I fucks with it. It's a hard ass beat. And yeah, pretty much that's it, man.
Yeah, and I feel like Ruby Bridges, I ain't going nowhere, lit nigga. I hop in my red jacket and I hop in a booth. But this jacket's a thriller, you know that I make me 2 songs and I make me a thriller. These niggas be bitchin', you know that I'm blinking, I feel like young boy, yeah, I'm real. These niggas ain't speaking that clearer. You know that I hop in that man like you nigga, they look at the man in the mirror. My niggas be crippin', if you want the benefit, we can be serious. These niggas be bitchin' delirious, and all these hoes acting delirious. And I hope that you niggas be hearing this. When I step on the scene, yeah, I'm clearing it. I'm a 765, baby, yeah, you know I come straight out the south. Man, these niggas be bitchin', my niggas be crippin', you niggas be snitching, y'all like me. I look at my gun, then I break in your house. I punch your shit for you running your mouth. And you know that them niggas don't play when they come down to me, yeah, they come from the south, bitch.
Yeah, they copy my style.
They know I'm truly like a black in the mile.
I'ma keep it rapping, I sit for a while.
It's built like some time, so I can't give them 9.
Yeah, and 50 your house. I hit it, bro, 1 stone like I'm Mickey Mouse. Pussy well like a job. I just the bitch leave me lost, so I told her to get out and bounce. All of my niggas be smoking gelato. I told my little shot nigga way up an ounce. The harder I'm joking and talking, I got 250 with the same thing on different accounts. That money keep stacking and stacking. Little nigga was back and you know that we reppin' the south. We hop in the roof and make magic, so let's go live lavish. Your niggas won't be
Got drinking and kindly, bitch, you gon' bang it out. These niggas be snitching, these niggas like Mickey Mouse. Got your ass beat, so I get your ass need me. These niggas, they hate me cause they know that I'm fucking got 2 twins on the top. Bitch, you know I'm gon' light his ass up with this telescope. Got a tape and I knock off his failing pussy ass niggas. And I know y'all gon' tell it though. Punch on his face and I'm knock off his tape. The difference is this, bitch, I'm not from the cave. If your ass ain't tryna link, nigga, don't hit my phone. Bitch, I'ma talk to you later. Me and Gunna, we talking our shit, so they hate it. These niggas be faking, these niggas ain't selling. You know when I hop in the booth, I be talking my shit since way back when they had paid. I hopped off the porch when I was a little nigga. Yo, hit my line up if it ain't about 8 figures. Yo, coming for first like I'm an action figure. Yo, bitch, on my snap and she sending me stick. I say, Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. I know that I've been sitting late. I'm feeling like selling the kitchen dealer and I want me a flower. I don't want no baby.
Fire still. He's speaking some real stuff, though. I ain't even gonna cap.
So many niggas be acting street niggas ain't clever. I went ahead bought me a black jacket and a black pair, but the jacket ain't leather. I put the pistol, these niggas ain't clever. You know what they say, yeah, the thicker the better.
That's the video for the VA, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. But anyways, I'll say that after we get through what I gotta say about the song. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, GoatBoy, keep your shit up, man. You got so much to go for. You know what I'm saying? This was some fire ass shit right here. I'm looking forward to the tape. Keep it up. Keep grinding. All that. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, and comment, and turn on the bell for post notifications so you know when I upload all the time. And lastly, we're gonna be doing a giveaway on this channel as soon as we hit over 300 subscribers. On my other channel, we're doing a giveaway, $25 gift card of your choice giveaway on that channel. It'll be linked down below, along with everything else. notes. Like I said, peace out. See you on the next one.